Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I got the another toy. Have a look. It's M12 Borescope. Basically, I'm waiting for this tool very long time. This is the part number M12 ATB slash OC. It came with new nice handy box, but this is only the Borescope, no battery. Yeah, bit handy, bit heavy box. It's very useful for the diagnostic or check inside DPF, sometime inside the engine head. Yeah, we can use for many various way, and came with manual, heavy duty. Yeah, I had to read, and I saw somewhere, what is this? Right, it came with the memory chip also. Well, before I have a endoscope. Basically this one also doing the same similar job, but it's this one. I'm going to switch off. Yeah, this one has a C port charging, and also this one has a front camera and little bit fat, but this one very tiny, because when I using this endoscope, then sometime I am struggle to this one send through some pipe. Because of the fat, it will stuck some point, then I can't do the job properly. However, I paid for this one around 60 pound or something, I can't remember, like years ago I got it this one, but still doing the job. After that, I'm waiting for a while to buy a like this tool, because this one has a two cameras. One is the side camera and the one is front camera, and also very tiny skinny camera. Then it can go anywhere easily because of the very tiny. Okay, unfortunately this one didn't came with the battery. Yeah, I have a battery for this one, and I spent around 350 pound for this one. Very useful tool, trust me. Sometime I'm stuck with this tool, can't send it to the through the pipes, then that's why I bought it this one. Right, you can see from the front camera it's very clear, and this is the this side camera, and this side we can capture. You see, we can capture, and we can zoom in and zoom out. And also we can use the, now is the front camera, and we can use the side camera here. See, this is the side camera, that one also very clear. And also we'll see how is the this one endoscope. This camera also has a zoom in, sorry, this is the zoom out and zoom in. Yeah, you can see the Here you can see the both has a same picture but different qualities. Yeah, anyway, I have a both here. If you have idea to buy the endoscope or broscope, better to go with this Milwaukee one because it's bit expensive and you have a good value for your money. Thank you.